Hello everyone, and it's Friday, and that means that here at Star Pupil it's time for another quiz. And I think this is actually the seventh Star Pupil quiz, so over nearly 2 months now I've been doing these quizzes, and to me they're just a bit of fun at the end of the week, just bit light-hearted, show what we know, share our knowledge, maybe find out something new. And some of you do it as a little competition with other people in your house, some of you do it on your own, some of you keep a score and say it's not to make anybody feel bad that they don't know stuff, or it's not for anybody to gloat and go, I knew that and you didn't. To say it's just a little bit of fun. And by now should be familiar with the format. There's 20 questions, general knowledge. I try and put something in there for everyone, and hopefully you'll know at least some of the answers, and maybe you'll know them all. And there'll be a video following this which will have the answers for any of the questions you're unsure about. So we'll get started with the first question, and it's a picture question. And I'm just going to show you a picture of a band, a pop band, and just trying to make sure that the light isn't shining on that too much. And I just want to know the name of this band. So what is the name of this band? I apologise, there is a little shadow on there, but the sun is shining, which we shouldn't complain about. So the name of this band. Okay, so that was question one. The next question is a film question, and the characters, Manny, Sid and Diego, are all characters in which series of films? So Manny, Sid and Diego are all characters in which series of films? Question 3 is geography. Built by the Romans, what is the name of the 73-mile wall near the border between Scotland and England? So, built by the Romans, what is the name of the 73-mile wall near the border between Scotland and England? And question 4 is literature. In the book by Linley Dodd, where is Harry McClary from? So, in the book by Linley Dodd, where is Harry McClary from? Question 5 is a history question. Pandora, Hercules, Theseus, Pegasus and the Gorgons all feature in myths from which ancient civilization? So Pandora, Hercules, Theseus, Pegasus and the Gorgons all feature in myths from which ancient civilization? Question 6 is a science question. What are the 3 states of matter? So what are the 3 states of matter? Matter is another word for stuff. So the 3 states of matter, or the 3 states that stuff can exist in. Question 7 is a music question, and I'm going to give you the lines from a song from the movie Toy Story, so I'll give you a little clue there. If you've got troubles, I've got 'em too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see it through. And I'm not going to sing it, partly because I don't think my singing would give you any clues anyway. But the lines are, if you've got troubles, I've got 'em too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see it through. So what song do those lines come from? And question 8, and I suppose we call this current affairs, so it's about things that are going on. And we've heard these initials so much over the last few months, but what do they actually stand for? What does NHS stand for? So when people talk about the NHS, what does that actually stand for? And question 9 is a nature question. True or false, all camels have 2 humps? So is that true or false? Do all camels have 2 humps? Question 10 is halfway point of the quiz, and it's about money. And the question is, what currency is used in Spain, Germany, France and Italy, among other countries? What currency is used in Spain, Germany, France and Italy. It was used in lots of other countries as well. And the next question is a maths question, and I'm showing you a triangle. I'll hold it back a little bit, and I want to know the name of this type of triangle. So what's the name of this type of triangle? Question 12, it's a sport question, and the question is, how long is a professional football match? So how many minutes does a professional football match go on for, assuming there's no extra time or injury time, just the standard length of the match? Question 13, it's about literature but words as well, I guess. What's the name for the technique which gives animal or human characteristics to non-human or animal objects? For example, when we say the wind roared. So what do we call that technique, used in literature, poetry quite a lot, where we give animal or human characteristics to something that is non-human or non-animal? For example, the wind roared. Question 14, it's another nature question. So what are animals that don't have a backbone, such as jellyfish, worms and slugs, known as? So collectively, animals that don't have a backbone, what are they known as? So jellyfish, worms, slugs, etc. Question 16. No, sorry, I apologise. Question 15. It's a places question. In which state in the USA would you find Walt Disney World and Universal Studios? So, in which state in the USA would you find Walt Disney World and Universal Studios? You get a bonus point if you can name the city as well. Now question 16, it's a maths question. Which one of these numbers is not a factor of 12? So which one of these numbers is not a factor of 12? 4, 5, 3, 2. Which one is not a factor of 12? 4, 5, 3, 2. Question 17 is about TV. What is the name, or what is the surname of TV chef Gordon and his daughter Matilda, who now has her own cooking show? So the TV chef Gordon and his daughter Matilda, who now has her own cooking show. Question 18, it's a sport question. Which of these sports is not played with a racket? Squash, volleyball, tennis or badminton? So which of those sports is not played with a racket? Squash, volleyball, tennis or badminton? And question 19, it's a history question. It's also about a person. I'm going to show you a picture of a person that you may have studied in your history lessons. And I want the name of this person. And I will give you a little clue. She was a nurse. So what's the name of this person? I say she was a nurse. And question 20, it's a geography question. And there are actually 5 points for this question. So 5 countries make up the British Isles: England, Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. London is the capital city of England. What is the capital of the other 4 countries? So what's the capital of Scotland, the capital of Wales, the capital of Northern Ireland and the capital of the Republic of Ireland, or Ireland as it's sometimes called? So the capital of Scotland, the capital of Wales, the capital of Northern Ireland and the capital of the Republic of Ireland. And I say there'll be a point for each, but if you get all 4 there'll be a bonus point. So 5 points in total available for that last question. And there we go, that's the end of today's quiz. So again, as always, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope there was something in there for everyone, and hopefully some of those things you will have studied at school, and some of them you might just know them, what we call general knowledge, just stuff that we know, that we've just picked up and learnt just by being curious and asking questions and finding things out for ourselves. And as I say, there will be another video following this which will have the answers. For those of you, as I say, who are in Northern Ireland, this will be your last Friday of the school year officially, but I will continue with the Star Pupil quizzes on Friday. They'll continue through most of the summer. I might be having a little holiday at some point myself, but I'll keep you posted about that. And I just want to say again, thank you to all of you who watch these and who share them and give me lots of positive and encouraging comments. I really do enjoy doing them, and I hope you enjoy them as well. And as I have mentioned before, during the summer I will be doing some Zoomer classes. So there'll be some things available on Star Pupil, and there'll be some information about that coming really soon. So watch this space, because you might be interested in some of the things that I'm doing. But in the meanwhile, enjoy the rest of your Friday, or whatever day. You mightn't be watching this on a Friday, but enjoy the rest of your day, whichever day you've watched this, and tune in for the answers, and I will hopefully see you very soon. Okay, bye-bye.